Merch by Amazon trending niche alert. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 niches that I found that are starting to trend on Merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Okay, so now let's get into the content of the video. Before I share with you the 3 niches that I found, the trending ones, I just want to share with you a trending one that I would avoid. And don't worry, it's not the Trump one. It's this one right here, which says free Harbaugh. So you've probably seen, or you might have seen that on Amazon. This is trending. It's got really good BSRs. Like, look at this, 63. But in my opinion, this one is a little risky because it has to do with sports and the name of a coach. So if you just do a quick Google search, you're going to see that the reason that this t-shirt is trending is because this college player wore this shirt at a press conference saying free Harbaugh. Harbaugh is a coach that got suspended for I don't know what. But in general, for me, I just believe it's good to stay away from niches that have to do with sports, using people's names. If you want to risk it, go for it. But me personally, I would stay away from this niche. But now that we got that out of the way, let's get into the first niche that I have for you that is trending. And it is Viva Mexico Cabrones. And the reason why this is starting to trend is because on September 16th, is Mexico's real Independence Day. The real Independence Day is not Cinco de Mayo. In Mexico, it is September 16th. And so that is why we're seeing this phrase starting to trend on Merch by Amazon right here. Viva Mexico Cabrones. And you can see there's only 136 results for this phrase. And if we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 132 results. And when we look at what some of the designs look like, Viva Mexico Cabrones. So obviously, you can use the Mexican flag. You can use the Mexico colors, green, white, and red. This phrase is, what happens is, actually I live in Mexico. I've been living here for 18 years. I'm originally from California. But what happens is every year they celebrate their independence, and when the clock strikes 12, they all go out to like their rooftop, or they just go outside and they start yelling Viva Mexico Cabrones. And so that's why, this phrase is popular. But we're going to be able to see what the designs look like. Now, not the best of BSRs, but we can see those are selling, and they're going to get, lower as we get closer to the actual date. Now, you are going to probably have to get these up quick if you want to design for this niche, because, we are September 3rd, so only maybe like 2 weeks away. But if we go ahead and take a look onto test to see if this is trademarked, we type in Viva Mexico Cabrones. Now, there are a couple that pop up. This one right here. But if we click on it, we're going to see it's not in the t-shirt category. It doesn't say 025 here. This is for entertainment services and not for t-shirts or clothing. In my course, I teach you how to understand and read trademarks. So this is safe for the t-shirt niche. And then if we go to Etsy to see what the competition looks like on this platform right here, we're going to see Viva Mexico Cabrones shirts, only 687 results. And most of them are just Viva Mexico, which, you can do if you want, but I think it's a lot better if you're going to do the Viva Mexico Cabrones. That's going to resonate with, Mexicans, basically. So right here, something like this. If we go to Redbubble, we're going to see that there's only 63 results for this phrase or keyword right here. And if we go to TeePublic, let's see what TeePublic has. So just a couple right here where it says Viva Mexico Cabrones, only 7 results. So this could be a good opportunity for us. So that is the first niche that I have. And then the next niche that I have is one that I actually found on Redbubble, and the phrase is I survived Catholic school. Now, I don't even know why this is trending. It's always a good idea just to always do a quick Google search before you upload something, just to kind of get a good idea, just to see if anything pops up, like a Taylor Swift song or something like that. But here we're just going to see it's Amazon, so it's a good sign when we see just like t-shirt websites like this. So if we go back to Amazon, we're going to see there's only 26 results. And if you take a look at this, this one right here, it's got a 287,000 BSR. Look how easy this is to design. It doesn't really get much easier than that. We're going to see this one right here, very simple. I survived Catholic school, also has a really good BSR as well. So yeah, very easy to design for. If we go to test to see if this is trademarked, we're going to see, actually I already did it, but let's start from the beginning. I survived Catholic school. We're going to see that this one pops up right here, but it's abandoned. It's dead right above my head. I don't know how you can see it, like right there somewhere. You're going to see that it says dead. So this is safe since it's not, live. It has to be live. It has to have a registration number, things like that. If we go to Etsy to take a look at the competition, only 1,000 results. Redbubble. This is where I found it. Remember, if you type in a keyword, like so, what I did is I survived. You're gonna see when it has like the little ticker going up like this, that means it's trending on Redbubble. That's how you can find trending niches on Redbubble. And then if we go to TeePublic, let's take a look at what some of the competition looks like. So a little more competition than the last niche that we looked at, but here on merch, I mean, this is pretty good. Only 26 results. I mean, there's not even a third page, so I can't show you. Really easy to design for, so this could be a good one for us. So that is the second niche that I have. And then the third niche that I have for you is this phrase right here that says, I want to eat a charcuterie board. Now, the reason this is trending is because if you just do a quick Google search, you will see, if you click on this TikTok link right here, it looks like someone from Hard Knocks, this guy right here, this football player, said, I want to eat a charcuterie board or something funny like that. Now, I know I'm probably going to get some comments, people saying, no, you can't upload to this, it's going to get your account in trouble. And, you know, if that's the way you feel, that's fine. You know, just don't upload into this niche. There's always going to be another. See, that's how he said it right there. But yeah, so like I was saying, you know, if you're like, you think this niche might get you in trouble, then just avoid it. You know, there's always going to be another niche down the road. Me personally, I think it should be fine. You know, because you're not really using anything that has to do with the actual football team. It's just something that he just said. So, in my opinion, you know, it should be fine. But if you're kind of nervous about that kind of stuff, then just avoid it and just always just go on to the next niche. But if we just look further into this niche, we're going to see that there's only 75 results. And right here, we're going to see this one was just uploaded a couple days ago. It's already at 230. Now, all the other ones don't have BSRs. But like I've said a lot in some of my other videos, you know, like these ones right here, they were just uploaded today and they could have sold. The BSR hasn't been updated yet because, you know, I can't tell you how many times I've seen a niche like this with just one selling. I've seen all these other ones with no sales. I'm like, well, what's the point? You know, none of them, the other ones are selling. And then I check back in a couple days and all the rest have BSRs. You know, and I'm like kicking myself in the butt because I didn't take advantage of the opportunity. If we go to test, we're going to see that this phrase, I want to eat a charcuterie board, I don't even know what he's saying, but nothing pops up. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see that there's just this one right here. Oh, and also, like, if you're afraid to, you know, upload it onto merch, you can just upload it onto Redbubble or TeePublic. You can see there's a couple ones right here, only 2 results. And if we go to TeePublic, we're going to see there's also only 2 results as well. So that is the third niche that I have for you guys. And if you guys are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or Redbubble, I got 2 courses down in my description and in the pinned comment. They're good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon and Redbubble. They are on Udemy, so if you're interested, take a look. But that's going to be the video for today. I just saw these niches, these trendy ones. I like to get the video out quick because, you know, the more days go on, you know, the more competition there is and the trend can start to fade. So just want to get that out. So it's going to be a little shorter video today. So that's going to be it. If you're looking for more trendy niches, like this video is starting to do really well, this Halloween one. So if you're ready, or if you're looking for niches for Halloween, check out this video right here, 7 Halloween niches to make you big money on Merch by Amazon. I also have some other videos with some other ideas as well. So if you're interested, take a look at this playlist, subscribe to the channel, and like the video. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Adios.